Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the Proteus circuit of our Boolean expressions which are given in lab 3. So first of all I am going to show you the Boolean expression of De Morgan's law, which are these. So in this equation uh, we are having two inputs and the sum of inputs and their complement is equal to complement of both and then their product. So we can prove this equation by Proteus circuit. So this is our Proteus circuit for first case. In this case we are having two inputs with the help of OR gate and having two not of inputs with the help of AND gate, and if we are applying input X and Y on it, then our output will same, and in other case our output will 0. So we can check it out by running our circuit. Now we are applying 0 0 input, then we will have same output. If I am applying 1 0 input, then we will have same output on both cases. So it proves our De Morgan's law. So now we are moving to the second equation, which is this. In this equation we have two inputs and the product of two inputs and their complement is equal to the separate complement and their sum. So we can prove it by using Proteus circuit. So this is our second case of De Morgan's law. In it we having two inputs through AND gate and not of two inputs through OR gate, and the output will be same in both cases. So we can check it by running our circuit. So in this case you can see our both outputs are same. If I am applying 1 on this input and 0 on this, then output will same. If I am applying both on 0, then output will 0 on both cases. So it proves our De Morgan's law that this equation is equal to this equation. So both cases are proved. We are going to prove the Proteus circuit of these three Boolean expressions. We have three functions f1, f2 and f3. We are going to prove these three functions with the help of Proteus circuit. So this is our first Boolean expression. Now I am going to show you the Proteus circuit of this expression, which is this. So first of all we are having four inputs A, B, C and D, and then three gates, two AND gates and one OR gate. First AND gate having input not of A and B, and the second AND gate having input not of C and D, and output of both AND gates are connected to with the help of OR gate, which represents the sum of both outputs, and output will be, if I am applying 1 on B and 1 on C and 0 on A and 0 on D, then output will 0, because our truth table is shows. You can see if I am applying 0 on all the cases A, B, C, D, then our output will 0. So you can see in this circuit, if I am applying 0 on all of it, then our output will 0. So if I am applying 1 on all of it, then output will 0. So if I am applying 1 on all of it, then output will 0 in this case also. So this is our basic Proteus circuit of our first function f1. So we are going to discuss second Boolean expression, which is f2. So in this case the product of A complement, B complement and the product of C complement and D complement, sum of both are equal to f2 function. So now we are going to discuss it by Proteus circuit. So this is our Proteus circuit. We are using two AND gates and one OR gate. First AND gate having input not of A and not of B, and the second AND gate having input not of C and not of D, and output of both AND gates are connected to OR gate, and this OR gate will represent that sum of both outputs, which is equal to A complement, B complement plus C complement and D complement, and then the output will be displaying on LED. So we can check it by running our circuit. So you can see if I am applying 1 on C then output will 1. We can see our truth table. So this is our truth table for function f2, which is if I am applying 0 on all of a, b, c and d, then output will 1. If I am applying 1 on all of it, then output will 0. So we can check by running. If I am applying 1 on all of it, then output will 0. If I am applying 0 on all of it, then output will 1. So this is our basic Proteus circuit of Boolean expression f2. We are going to discuss our third and last case, f3 function, which is equal to the sum of product yz and x is equal to function f3. So this is the truth table of our function f3. It means if we are applying 0 on all of input, then we will get 0 on output. If I am applying 1 on all input, then we will get 1 on output. If I am applying 0 on x input and 1 on y input and 0 on z input, then we will get 0 on output. If I am applying 1 on x input, 0 on y, 0 on z, then I will get 1 on output. Now we can see our Proteus circuit. Here we use two gates, AND gate and OR gate. So you can see the AND gate is connected to y and z, and the OR gate is connected to x, and the second input is output of AND gate. So we can check by running our circuit. So you can see if all inputs are 1, then output will 1. If all inputs are 0, then output will 0. If only x is 1, then output will 1. If y is 1 and x is 0 and z is 0, then output will 0. So this is our basic Proteus circuit of function f3, and we can check all our possibilities with the help of truth table. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.